Neil Patel built a $30 million business by ranking for everything from best CRM to how to grow a SaaS company. And I just rebuilt his entire strategy inside Google Sheets using AI. And I'm going to show you how you can do it all for free without paying for a single SEO software. Now, this video isn't just about learning SEO, it's about systemizing it. With a free tool called GPT Workspace, I rebuilt Neil's core content playbook into a spreadsheet that does it all. All right, so what you're gonna wanna do is go onto ads.google.com and create an account. So you probably have to put your credit card in, but that's to run Google ads. We're not gonna do that. It's not gonna take any money out of our account. It's just what we need to put in to set up the account, and then we're gonna use this data for free. So first thing you wanna do is go into tools and then press tools, and it'll have keyword planner, and we are going to go and press discover new keywords. All right, and now we want to put in a keyword that our ideal customers are going to be searching for. So let's just say we're a gardening or landscaping company in Sydney. We're going to just type in landscaping, and then we are going to change the location to Sydney and cut out Australia. So just select Sydney and save, and then we're just going to press get results. And then what's going to happen is we're going to see all the keywords that people are searching for that's related to landscaping. So you can see for landscaping, you get 1,000 to 10,000 average monthly searches. Lawn care near me, around 100 to 1,000 monthly searches. Landscaping companies near me, 10 to 100 monthly searches. Anything I would say above 10 monthly searches is great, okay? So then what we're going to do is we're going to select all the keywords, and then we're going to press download keyword ideas, and you're going to press it as Google Sheets, and you can just call this landscaping. All right, guys, so I've opened up landscaping keywords sheet. So this has all our information. Nothing for us is important except for the landscaping words. So what we're going to do is we're going to select all keywords. All right, you're going to copy it, and then you're going to create a new sheet, and you're going to paste your keywords over there. All right, so now that we have all the keywords that people are searching for related to our business, what we're going to want to do is create a list called unique keywords. So these are the words that we want on our website. But for example, if we put all these words or phrases in our website, we're going to get a lot of repetitive words that it's actually going to oversaturate our SEO. So for example, you can see lawn care near me. All right, so we can put like lawn and then care as another word, and then near as another word, and me, right? And then if you go lawn maintenance, we already have lawn, okay? So we don't need to put lawn, but we don't have maintenance. So we can put in maintenance. And we already have near, and we already have me. So we don't need to do that, all right? Now this takes a lot of time, so that's where GPT Workspace really comes in handy. And what we're gonna do is you are gonna put in this formula, and first thing we're gonna do is start GPT Workspace. So this just pressing the icon starts it once you've installed it, the Google extension, and then you're going to paste this formula, and I've put the range for how big it is, and that's going to extract all the unique words and individual words. All right, so then it's just going to create a big list for us. All right, and bam, now it's created a big list of words, all the unique words that are in our Google Sheet. All we're going to do is we're going to copy it. We're going to paste all the keywords into our document, and then we're going to start GPT Workspace by pressing this. We are going to paste this prompt in, which is based on all the words provided. Create a web page about my business. My business name is Sydney Landscapers. You can make this whatever you want, whatever your business name is. And we provide landscaping Sydney. Briefly explain what you do. Maybe something in a bit more detail, but just to make it simple, I've just included this. And then say, make sure you use every single word, as these are the keywords relevant to the SEO. And then we're going to ask GPT Workspace to create this prompt for us and create us a web page. And now it's creating us a web page using all the keywords. So this is a really easy way you can do SEO for free by using the keywords that people are most searching for and making sure you include all of them in your web page without oversaturating it with repetitive keywords. All right, so now all we can do is we press insert, and now it's created our web page for us. So make sure you read over it. Just make sure everything that it said is correct and applicable to your business. And once it has all the keywords, you can take this content and put it on your website, whether you're doing that manually or through a website builder like Wix or Squarespace or whatever it is. And yeah, guys, that's basically how you can do free SEO to scale, to rank up your site on Google. Now, if you want to clone this sheet and start building your own SEO engine, hit the link in the description. All you need is GPT Workspace, Google Sheets, and a few hit keywords. Now, what niche are you trying to rank for? Drop a keyword in the comments and I'll send you 10 cluster ideas.